Imagine stepping into a mansion worth $204 million, where every corner glimmers with gold and the ceilings are crafted like artwork. Located in Dubai's Emirates Hills, this estate isn't just a home, it's a symbol of extreme luxury and grandeur. From a coral reef aquarium in the living room to hand-carved stained glass domes, this place redefines what it means to live lavishly. Ready to explore one of the most opulent mansions ever built? Let's take a look inside. Located in Emirates Hills, Dubai's Beverly Hills, this mansion covers a massive 70,000 square feet of land with 60,000 square feet of luxurious living space. It took 12 years to build and cost over $27 million in marble alone. This house is designed for those who want the very best, offering both grandeur and exclusivity. The mansion draws inspiration from the Belle Epoque era, known for its artistic and architectural splendor. As you walk up to the property, you're greeted by a grand entrance adorned with sheets of gold-white marble and classical design patterns that echo Parisian luxury. Inside, the home is highlighted by a 9-meter diameter stained glass dome, hand-carved by 17 French artists over 2.5 years. This dome is a true work of art, adding an artistic flair to an already magnificent interior. Throughout the home, you'll find bronze statues that lend the space an old-world, regal feel. The mansion boasts 5 ultra-luxurious bedrooms, each designed to give a sense of exclusivity and comfort. Accompanying these are 19 marble-clad bathrooms, making sure every guest has their own space of luxury. For the staff, there are 12 dedicated rooms, ensuring the highest level of service without compromising the homeowner's privacy. You'll also find 2 grand ballrooms in the mansion, perfect for extravagant events or gatherings. The formal dining room can host up to 22 guests, seated around a handcrafted table made from rare stones and crystals. Every meal here feels like dining in a royal palace. For those who need a high-end workspace, the mansion includes a presidential-style office, complete with a handcrafted desk and stunning views that inspire productivity. If you're looking to unwind, the private cinema room offers a luxurious movie-watching experience, while the wine cellar has space to store an impressive collection of vintage bottles. There are also 2 bank vaults in the house for storing valuables, ensuring the highest level of security. The home is equipped with a backup power system, so the lights never go out in this luxury residence, no matter what. The mansion also features a fully equipped gym, fitted with state-of-the-art fitness equipment, offering everything needed for a complete workout without leaving the comfort of home. For art lovers, the residence is adorned with sculptures and paintings, creating an atmosphere of refined elegance in every corner. Additionally, the house's attention to detail extends to its hand-carved 9-meter stained glass dome, a masterpiece that adds to the mansion's artistic and architectural grandeur. Walking into the grand hallway, you're immediately struck by the gold-white marble surfaces and classical bronze statues, giving the home an unmistakable air of luxury. The living room features 2 massive gold chandeliers, filling the room with a soft glow. In the corner stands a full-sized gold statue, adding a touch of artistic grandeur. One of the most unique features is the living room's coral reef aquarium. It's a stunning focal point that brings a touch of nature to the otherwise opulent interior. This aquarium is not just decorative, it's a living piece of art that enhances the luxurious ambience of the room. The dining room, with its antique-style chairs and elegant carpeting, continues the theme of timeless luxury. In the painting room, traditional wooden walls and a white and gold ceiling create a serene space for relaxation or work. The house also features an antiques room, which can be used as an office, filled with beautiful golden clocks and unique pieces behind glass. The ceilings throughout the home are intricately detailed, showcasing craftsmanship that mirrors that of European palaces. Each room is accented with hand-picked art pieces that add to the mansion's lavish aesthetic, creating a sense of walking through a gallery. Even the smallest details, like the custom-designed door handles and light fixtures, reflect the unparalleled attention to luxury and style found throughout the estate. The luxury extends outdoors, with not one but two incredible pools. At the front of the house, a massive pool stretches along the property, serving as a decorative feature and a space for relaxation. In the backyard, an infinity pool overlooks the lush golf course, featuring a rock waterfall design and natural decorative rocks that blend perfectly with the landscape. The infinity pool offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area, making it the perfect spot for a morning swim or an evening dip. There's also a small hut by the pool, ideal for getting some shade on a hot Dubai day. The terraces provide ample space to enjoy stunning nighttime views of the Dubai skyline, with the iconic Burj Khalifa visible in the distance. The outdoor space is a true sanctuary, with walking paths that offer privacy and tranquility amidst the lush greenery. The landscaped gardens are meticulously designed, further elevating the grandeur of the estate. Whether you're lounging by the pool or taking in the panoramic views, every outdoor area of this mansion is crafted for ultimate relaxation and luxury. What makes this mansion stand out? It's not just the size or the price tag. The handcrafted details, such as the stained glass dome and the gold leaf gilding applied by 70 artists over 9 months, make this a one-of-a-kind home. With over 700,000 sheets of gold leaf used throughout the property, every room gleams with luxury. This mansion is more than just a place to live. It's an artistic masterpiece. According to brokers, there are only a handful of people worldwide who can afford such a property, adding to its exclusivity. The mansion also offers buyers the chance to purchase up to 400 pieces of art already in the house, allowing them to personalize the space with incredible collectibles. Dubai's luxury real estate market is booming, with prices rising 44% in the last year alone. Properties like this mansion in Emirates Hills are driving that growth, offering the very best in opulence and design. Target buyers include high-profile politicians, business leaders, and influential figures looking for a statement home to host lavish events and parties. Emirates Hills is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Dubai, often compared to Beverly Hills in Los Angeles. With its prestigious golf course views, privacy, and high-end properties, it's no surprise that it's the go-to choice for the world's ultra-wealthy. In conclusion, this $204 million mansion in Emirates Hills is the ultimate definition of luxury. From its Belle Epoque-inspired design to its stunning pools and grand ballrooms, every inch of this home is crafted for those who appreciate the finest things in life. The stained glass dome, bronze statues, and marble hallways aren't just about luxury. They are works of art in their own right. It's no wonder this mansion is considered one of the most exclusive properties in the world. Thanks for watching today's exclusive tour of Dubai's $204 million mansion. What do you think? Worth the price? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Moisty for more luxury property tours every week. See you next time.